Learn phrasal verbs for health and fitness. Bulk up. Meaning, to gain muscle or weight, usually through exercise. He's bulking up for the fitness competition. She bulked up after months of lifting weights. Slim down. Meaning, to lose weight and become thinner. She's trying to slim down before summer. I need to slim down a bit for the wedding. Work out. Meaning, to do physical exercise to stay fit or healthy. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. She's working out to lose weight. Warm up. Meaning, to prepare your body for exercise with light activity. You should warm up before running. Let's warm up by doing some light stretches. Cool down. Meaning, to do light activity after exercise to help your body relax. Always cool down after a tough workout. We took a slow walk to cool down. Cut down on. Meaning, to reduce the amount of something, especially something unhealthy. I'm trying to cut down on sugar and junk food. He's cutting down on alcohol. Come down with. Meaning, to start to suffer from an illness. I think I'm coming down with a cold. He came down with the flu last night. Pick up an illness. Meaning, to catch a minor illness like a cold or flu. He picked up a virus at school. I think I picked up a cold from the office. Fight off. Meaning, to resist or recover from illness. I drank lemon tea to fight off the cold. He fought off the flu without any medicine. Get over. Meaning, to recover from an illness. She got over the flu quickly. It took me a week to get over the cold. Pass out. Meaning, to faint or suddenly lose consciousness. She passed out in the heat. I nearly passed out after the workout. Throw up. Meaning, to vomit or be sick. She threw up after eating bad food. He felt dizzy and almost threw up. Come around. Meaning, to wake up or regain consciousness after fainting. She fainted but came around quickly. He came around after 5 minutes. Break out, in. Meaning, to suddenly develop a skin condition, like a rash or pimples. I broke out in a rash after taking the medicine. My skin broke out in red spots from the allergy. Lay up. Meaning, to be forced to stay in bed because of illness or injury. She was laid up with a broken leg. He's been laid up with the flu all week. Burn off. Meaning, to use up energy or calories, especially by exercising. We ate too much, now we need to burn it off. You burn off more fat when you go for a run. Fill out. Meaning, to gain weight or muscle and look fuller or stronger. He's filled out since he started lifting weights. She filled out after recovering from illness. Black out. Meaning, to suddenly lose consciousness. He blacked out during the match. She blacked out because of low blood sugar. Build up. Meaning, to gradually increase strength, health, or immunity. You need to build up your stamina before the race. This food helps build up your immune system. Come out in spots or rash. Meaning, to suddenly develop skin problems like spots or a rash. She came out in red spots after swimming. I came out in a rash after using that soap. Take up. Meaning, to start doing a new activity or hobby regularly. I've taken up yoga to stay healthy. He took up jogging after his doctor suggested it. Tire out. Meaning, to make someone feel very tired. That long walk really tired me out. The kids tired their parents out today.